In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply convert PDF to JPEG. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step, what you want to do now is that you want to go over to your browser. I'm using Chrome, so I'm simply going to go over to Chrome. Once you do that, what you want to do now is that you want to search for the term convert PDF to JPEG and then click on search. And then it's going to show you a ton of websites you can use to convert your PDF to JPEG. But in this case, I love using I Love PDF. It's one of my favorites, sorry. So if you want to also use it, you can click on it. It should be the first one you see. In this case, it's the first one on my screen. But there are a ton of other websites you can use. But personally, I prefer I Love PDF because it's easy to use and it's beginner friendly. So click on it. And then once you do that, you're going to select the PDF you want to convert from PDF to JPEG. So click on the select PDF file option. It's then going to take you over to your files. So you can simply locate the downloaded or rather your PDF that you'd like to convert onto your JPEG. So look for the PDF you'd like to convert to JPEG, and I have found the PDF. So once you have found the PDF, what you want to do now is that you want to click on it, and then once you have clicked on the PDF that you'd like to convert to JPEG, you can then click on the convert to JPEG option, and that should start converting your PDF to JPEG. And as you can see, it's done converting, and it's going to auto download the JPEG file. And as you can see, it has downloaded the JPEG file, and I can simply open it. And as you can see, it's now a image which in a JPEG format. So that's how you can simply convert from PDF to JPEG on your phone. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.